I've made over $1 million in profit as a TikTok shop affiliate, and today I'm going to show you guys how I choose a winning product. Let's go. Let's get right into it. I got my laptop open here. I got my little tea because I am a tea drinker. I love tea. I'm going to show you guys the sauce of how I choose and research and select winning products, and this can work for any niche. I'll actually do a couple niches for you guys and just give you kind of the insight of what I would do when choosing a product and then deciding, okay, if I'm going to go all in on this product, what are the steps I should take to know how to go all in on a product? So I'm going to go ahead and record my screen. That way you guys can see what I'm doing. Got Calidata open here. You guys know I love my Calidata. It is a little bit inaccurate compared to other research analytic tools, but I honestly really like it. It's just my choice. So let's go to product and see what's cooking lately. Last 30 days, I'm just going to leave category unselected. So we're seeing all the categories right now to get a little snapshot of what's working for top affiliates in the space right now. We all know this Medicube stick, this Volufiline stick is absolutely viral. That is one I definitely have had on my radar for a while. And honestly, just full transparency, I think that'd be a really good product to go all in on right off the bat. Is it a little bit late? Maybe, but if you're a really good affiliate and you can make good content, you can still absolutely blow up with it. I don't think any product is too late if you can make really good content for it. Because I've seen old products re-blow up because a creator just made that good of a piece of content. It is a little bit harder though. This magnesium has been pretty viral for a while. I know this one is viral in the Spanish niche specifically. I've just seen so many videos for it, so I'm going to skip that one. I'm not a Spanish affiliate, so wouldn't really have my eye on that one, even though it is up a little bit in revenue. This cordless pressure washer, that's a guy affiliate niche. So again, skipping that one, but cool to know about. This one, Medicube again, this one's a really high price point, so naturally 15% commission. That's really tempting. That's like $12 per sale. Let's kind of take a peek at that one. I want to see how relevant it still is. Okay, yeah, it launched like in April. Got some girls crushing for it. And these videos are all still pretty new. So this gatekeeping my age bundle, I still would absolutely choose this product. This is one that I've had my eye on. I've actually talked about this product quite a bit to some of the girls that I work with. What I would do specifically as an affiliate is get my hands on this product. Obviously, if I have access to Medicube, which I do, I would ask them to send me a sample. If you don't, just order it. It's so worth it because this can make you so much money. I would absolutely order it. I always think it's worth ordering products. And for example, this video is #1. So I would study it. I would watch the video. I would get inspo of what's working for all different kinds of affiliates and script those videos, watch them, and then obviously think about how I could add my own authenticity, what angles that I could do as an affiliate. Maybe I'm starting a brand new account. So for example, if I didn't already have my skincare account established, if I was researching and trying to get into TikTok Shop affiliate and have a really good month, I would consider starting fresh with a new account, whether buying an account or growing it or using one that I already have that was a different niche, but going all in on this product if I see it working so well. So yeah, I take a peek at these videos. That's a faceless video. It's crushing. My girl Rayleigh, if you're watching this, I love you. Yeah, just different angles are working, which is really, really good, which is a really good sign. So this is a product that I would choose if I'm being completely honest. And it's #4 out of every single niche, which is insane. Ninja Slushy. I'm not a huge home niche affiliate, but if I was going to do the home niche, Ninja and Shark, oh my gosh, you guys. Let this be a word of advice. If you are just getting started with TikTok Shop or you're somewhat established but you haven't seen like 10, 20, 30K plus months, you could literally just ride the home niche wave right now. It is arguably like, it's like a gold rush. All you have to know how to do is make content with a vacuum, with the Ninja Slushy, with these products. For example, if you have no clue how to make these videos, what you could do is literally click on the product. This one has done 2 million in sales in the last 30 days, which is insane. Also, $900 price point, so the commission is pretty good. And just scroll down and see what videos are working, and it's literally just people talking about it or showing the product in action. The vacuum is doing the work for you. You just gotta get a good video of it, like this one.
At first, I was like, cool, a robot vacuum that mops, vacuums, and self-empties up to 60 days worth of debris without me even having to touch a thing.
Can you come clean up this very specific mess? Yes, I can come clean up that very specific mess. Can you go on this one?
Isn't that crazy? Like, these videos are a little bit different than my traditional scripting framework method because you don't really have to have like, you know, emotional pain points that you're hitting with other products. You still have to have a really good hook, visual, verbal, everything showing the product, but these are a lot more aesthetic UGC style, getting their attention, showing the product in action. And if I had the time right now and I wanted to go all in and make an extra 20, 30, 40K a month as a TikTok Shop affiliate, I would choose this product. This product is just like calling my name, honestly. If I had more time, I so would. Home niche is always crushing, and it's especially crushing during Q4. So now, if you're watching this in the summer, now is the time to start ramping up the home niche, because you know these brands are going to do crazy deals when it comes to Black Friday. For example, another one, the Shark cordless vacuum, the Shark corded vacuum. Like, there's so many options to make videos with these, and people are absolutely crushing with the home niche. So if you were going to choose one of these products based off of them being just mega viral, also take into account revenue growth rate. So if I were to pick one in specific, I would pick maybe this one, because look at 100% growth rate. That's insane. That's exploding. This one, 43% growth rate, exploding. This one's down 78. So I wouldn't pick that for say over this one or the Ninja Slushie just based off of those statistics. But you could also go all in and get like all 4 or 5 and just go crazy for a month. It's that simple in hindsight. It sounds like it's overwhelming, but it's really that simple. You look at these viral products, you look at what kind of content is working. Content is the same, content is evergreen. What is good content? High quality, good visuals, being clear with your audio, calling out your target audience, showing the product in action in a very pleasing and satisfying manner, which is honestly just comes down to your recording ability. If you can figure that out, these products are your ticket to hitting big months. Product selection is important. I always talk about how important product selection is. Now, I specifically currently am a beauty and personal care creator. I used to be a healthcare creator, but beauty is something that I pivoted to last summer. So let's take a peek at the beauty specific niche and see what else we got. I keep seeing this High Smile stain whitening teeth wash. I kind of want to see what's going on here. The revenue growth is down a bit, so it might be a little bit iffy, but I just want to see what's working and how recent these videos are working. Okay, so these were posted all pretty much like mid-May, April. That's a Spanish video.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing now. Want to avoid that? You do it.
Another Spanish. So this one, and you have to ask yourself this question too. This one for me personally, I don't think I really resonate with this product. Like, when I say I don't resonate, it's not that I don't like the product. I think it's a great product. I just think my content style, this would be harder for me to create good videos for. It'd be a little bit more friction, if that makes sense. I still could, but I want to choose a product where it feels more frictionless. A product that I feel like I could have in my hand and just start filming with. Skincare to me feels that way. Supplements feel that way. Home niche products feel that way. Pretty much every product except like teeth stuff for some reason feels that way for me. So good to take note of. Good to see what's working. Also the fact that it's more Spanish style. I'm not a Spanish affiliate, so that would be a no for me. This one has literally been on the top of the charts for so long, but because it launched so long ago, like literally like over 2 years ago, it's just like, it's Medicube's hero product, but if you look at the launch date, that's enough to tell you it's a little bit outdated. It might be saturated at that point. Not to say you can't go viral with it still, but it's just a little bit trickier. I mean, there's still people going viral as of April. And I think it's just because Medicube has so much ad spend, but this video has been literally like #1 since the dawn of time. If you're an affiliate, you know you've seen this video over and over. This girl,
Why does it feel like so?
Casey, I think it has over like 100 million views now at this point or something. This product, just because it's such an old listing, meaning it came out so long ago, I personally wouldn't choose right now. I just don't think that it's a little bit harder to go viral with right now. This one was really popular for hair loss, bikini angles, that kind of thing. Not really my style, because I don't really do like that specific pain point of a product, but I do think I could do it if I wanted to. It is down a little bit though, so I would avoid that one. Dr. Dent whitening strips. Again, teeth is crushing right now. I feel like it's a new space for me, because a lot of the angles that are working is like edited style.
Cut it in half, peel it, stretch it, stick.
This video's been so high.
My top tooth, because I want to see what my bottom tooth look like compared to my top tooth. So I'm gonna wait 30 minutes and I'll be back. All right, it's been about 30 minutes. I'm shouting everything, so let's see the results.
It's just so visual, which is really important.
Hey, look how purple my teeth are.
See how he's like reacting? It's just very natural and authentic, showing the product in use. If you feel like that's something you could remake, which you absolutely can, that would be a good product to choose because it's still so viral. This one has been viral for a while too, the Dark Spot Eye Cream. This is more my pace. This is one where I would say I kind of have my eye on that one. Also, that revenue growth rate is crazy. It's up 85%. Oh my gosh, let's look into this one. It did 1.1 million in revenue the last 30 days. Pretty good commission compared to the price. Let's see what kind of videos are working.
I'm not even gonna say anything, just watch.
That's a classic hook that's worked with so many products. That sound where it goes do 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 do, like he plays that little background noise. A lot of the male affiliates do that and it works so well. I'm not even gonna say anything, just watch. That's his hook. It opens up a loop, so you kind of want to watch and see what happens, and then he speeds up the process of him applying the product. 17 million views. Because it's so organically well done, that video blew up not just as a TikTok shop video, but organically, which is what you want. You want to have a video that's so good that it could go viral organically, but now that you have a product linked, it's getting pushed that much harder because you have ad spend behind it. TikTok shop itself is pushing your video, and that is a really good piece of content. I want to see what's working for girls though.
If you're over 40, stop wearing concealer. You know what sucks?
Crisp quality, really clear, great hook, calling out her target audience specifically. If you're over 40, you should not be using concealer or whatever she said. Notice how her back camera, I think she's using her back camera. It's so clear. Like all of that's so important, you guys, for your content to be able to get views. So that's a really good video.
I'm rushing out the door. We're gonna go leave to Vegas. We're gonna go see No Doubt. But I want to show you this hack. Okay, I don't want to wear a full face of makeup on our little road trip. And this is not concealer, correct? It's not concealer, not makeup. It's a viral Korean eye cream.
So the angle to use with this is that it's not concealer, but it's actually skincare, but it mimics concealer because that's how good the ingredients are, and it rebuilds that collagen. It's a calcium-based eye cream. So I feel like I could absolutely crush with this product. I would do this product. I think I actually might have it, and I might try to make a piece of content with it. So take it from me, no gatekeeping. As a top 1% affiliate, this is a product that I would feel really confident making good content with, trying different angles. And here's another thing. A lot of times I get asked, well, how much should I try a product before ditching it? Well, I have a kind of flipped answer for that. If it's viral like this one, at that point, in my mind, I'm not stopping until I go viral with it because I know it's not the product. I know that it's not a product issue. So if you're trying a product that's already viral and you're not going viral with it, then it's your content, just being honest. Because that product has the capacity and has been going viral. Certain people have been able to do it, meaning that you need to create a video good enough to break that and go viral as well. And it's not a product issue. I'll say it again. So for me, if I decided this product is viral, I want to try it, I have good videos to take inspiration from, I would just literally post until one works. And I like to operate that way. I like to go all in. Same thing with the Shark and Ninja products. You know those are already viral. So seeing how much money people are making, how viral it's going, I wouldn't stop until I hit a winning angle with it. And then once you find that winning angle, what do? You double down, you rinse and repeat over and over and over again. Just to kind of wrap up this video and share a little bit more sauce about how I choose a product, I like to spend a lot of time on CaloData. And another thing that you can do is once you kind of go through all the top products, what's trending, look around on the top 30 board, top 20 in your niche, you can literally go on the TikTok app, look up that product, for example, the Dr. Malaxin eye cream, and just watch tons of videos. TikTok will give that to you. So it's like another free way to research and just like those videos, save those videos, watch how the creator is doing it. How's their camera set up? What's their angle? How is their tonality? How fast paced is it? Are they adding overlays? What's everything involved into their content you should be learning from and understand, okay, if I want my video to perform like this, I have to have a piece of content that looks like this as well. Can you do it? Yes. These are average. I don't want to say average. These are talented people, but these are normal everyday creators like you and I. Normal people. These aren't celebrities or influencers. They just understood how to make a good piece of content with these viral products. So your job is to choose a viral product or 3 or 4, understand that if they're viral, they can go viral for you too, and you shouldn't stop until it works. You have to find an angle that works for you and double down on it. Let's check out a different niche just to see what's up. Category, let's see what's working in fashion and women's wear. because that's another really fun one. Oh my gosh. Shapewear, bras, sticky boobs. Why? Because they solve a big pain point problem. They're so visual. So I can already tell you without looking at the content that what is working is moms or girls showing before and after clips of their, cleavage or their boobs, basically like how lifted the bra makes it, how comfy the bra is. Maybe if it's a sticky bra, it's like, well, this is my before and this is my after, and they just look a little bit more together and up in the swimsuit or the top or whatever. And because it's such a visually appealing thing and it solves a huge pain point for a lot of women, it explodes. It's a really good product. So that's why these are dominating. Same with shapewear. It's like obviously like tummy control shapewear. It's very visual and it solves a problem that a lot of women want solved with their clothing. So obviously these would be insane products to choose if you are a fashion girl or you want to try it. For example, let's just see jobless closure. Okay, let's see this one. This one's exploding. 75% revenue growth rate. It's on the up consistently. Let's just see what's working for it. Scroll down. See her hook like bouncing, flicking it. Like obviously that's going to blow up organically, let alone with TikTok Shop. If you're not comfortable doing that content, you don't have to. I don't do that content style, but it's still good to learn from it to understand, okay, visual hooks are what gets your video to blow up.
We all know how hard it is to find some strapless bras that are not constantly riding down on you. I found these on TikTok Shop. You can literally jump in that room.
So that's the pain point, is showing how good it looks. It's strapless, but we all know how annoying strapless bras are because they fall and fall and fall. This one I can jump around in and it doesn't fall down. Great pain point target, and the way she did it was perfect. So her video blew up. So essentially, when you're choosing a viral product, you ask yourself, okay, well, is it viral? Is it on the top 10, 20, 30, 40? Is it on the up? Is it on the rise? Are people going viral with it right now? CaloData tells you all of this. You can literally see when the videos were posted, how viral it is, when the product was launched, everything. You can also literally use the TikTok app. If you don't have CaloData, you can look up products and see when people were going viral with it. This just makes it a little bit more seamless and in front of you, but you can still use TikTok. And ask yourself, do I see myself making content like this? Can I recreate similar styles to this? Can I showcase the product in a way that highlights the problems that it solves? If it's the home niche, can I share that this vacuum can scoop up this egg really quickly? If it's the Ninja knife set, can I show that it cuts really well? If it's a fashion item, can I show it well? If it's skincare, can I highlight the pain points? And there's so many factors at play when it comes to an organic video, but I wanted to teach you guys in this video how I go about choosing viral products and just show you how many products there are that actually are viral at any given time. And there's always someone making money on TikTok Shop, like at any given moment. And it's usually because they're in the sweet spot of they have viral content, they're good at making content, and they're also on a viral product. You combine those two things and you explode. You have massive months. I've seen this firsthand. I've actually only ever really done 2 or 3 products at once if I'm not doing brand deals, because when I see a product working, I go all in on it. That's just what I choose to do. So if I were to pick this Dr. Malaxin eye cream and I saw it take off, I would focus on that product for a long time and just milk it while it's working. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope this gave you some value and insight as to how I go about choosing a winning product. If you have any other questions for me or you thought of something that you want answered, let me know in the comments. And if you're a woman watching this video, I actually have a all women's TikTok Shop affiliate coaching program where I work with the girls live every single week. We also have other women coaches that are doing live calls every single day. And these girls have had crazy results. I love coaching, and there's so much in the TikTok Shop world to learn. And there's so much you can learn from top affiliates in the space. We help the girls get brand deals, free samples. Obviously, we coach them and work with them to go viral, get them on the right products, everything you can think of, honestly, in the TikTok Shop world. It's what I wish I had when I first started TikTok Shop, and I love the ecosystem that we've built. The community is so special. These girls have my heart, and honestly, they're also encouraging, and even just being able to hop in a community of crushing TikTok Shop affiliates and see wins every single day is so motivating, even for me. So if you want to be a part of that and you want to learn from top affiliates and also from me, the link will be in the description to join Miss Affiliate, and you can get on your one-on-one call. You can select the time, hop on with one of our team members, and join Miss Affiliate and see how we can help you. And that being said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Thank you so much for watching. And also, I will always continue to post free value right here on YouTube and my social media pages. So if you want to learn more about TikTok Shop and learn some more tips and tricks, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel or follow me on Instagram. Bye, guys!